analysis at the executive level. A dashboard has been created, and this dashboard is based on the data, available data, which has been fetched into GitHub as well as Supabase, and the similar data which has been used for designing of the ABCT Prayaanam app. The same data is being fed to all the three portals. So here we can see the total buses running. These are all the called KPIs, key performance indicators. The total buses running, the buses delayed, bus breakdown, passengers on board, the e-pass revenue due to e-pass. As we have seen, the total number of e-pass is only one, as the total revenue is only 350 rupees. So also the fleet status distribution. It shows like out of total number of buses, how many buses are running, and the total buses which are not, it has been delayed, the buses which has been breakdown, as well as the average occupancy ratio. Here there is an interaction between all the buses. Here you can see the distribution between the route number and the occupancy. This is the route number 400 route number, and the occupancy is 53%. So when I click it, you can see that the route number 400 has five number of buses running, as well as 60 are as only two buses running. So here that's how there will be an interaction between the buses. Also, we can see there is a table which gives the status of all the buses, the total number of seats occupied. Why we need a dashboard, a Power BI dashboard, any dashboard? It is because for better visualization and in order to take data-driven decisions. In case of in case of HTML or any authority portal, the visualization part and data-driven the decisions cannot be taken. And so the same data is dumped into the Power BI or any other dashboarding tool in order to have a clear understanding and take decisions of the bus fleet as well as the route number. So here we can see the buses by depot as well as the total open breakdowns is zero. So the Madhurwada depot as well as the different depots, the buses as well registration numbers. Also, you can see the route performance table of all the routes and from first stop to from the till stop, Bhimnipatnam to Tilpan, the depot as well as occupancy percentage, the fleet size is total number of buses, and if there is any incidents or a breakdown issued, this is the incident register. So this gives us that the information about whatever incident happened. All these logs will be saved. So this can be useful for future reference of the concerned bus, as well as we can see the incident versus route number. So the total number of incident occurred for a particular in a particular route can also be accounted for. So this type of analysis is required while we are uh, while we are operating at a huge scale, such that efficient utilization of the available bus fleet can be done. Thank you.